Okay, got your email, and I actually did. I just got rid of one of these mullions right here, so the window is the correct size. I've gotten rid of the box that's outside, and now this window is flush like in the other video, and it's also the same size as the last video. So it might have given you the illusion that there was this window was enlarged with the 3 panes, but I removed one of the panes, and this is actually the size of your window. And of course I've gotten rid of the molding, and I did the floating shelves here. These floating shelves are all the same width. If you want me to make these wider over on this side, I can. And the other part of your email is, can you move this light here closer to the wall? Sure. I moved it a little bit. Moved it about 13 inches off the wall. So it's about right in the middle of the sink. The closer I move that to the wall, it will likely have a light or a hot spot on the wall, and the light won't distribute evenly. So that little tweak can, the position of this light in a real world application might move anyways, because we don't know where joists are. If we have to negotiate a joist or something like that, but if you want that to get closer to the wall, we certainly can. But I would tell you that it might create a hot spot against the wall where there's too much light on the wall and not enough being thrown down on the counter. So hopefully that clears up your latest email, March 10th. And let me know if you have questions, concerns, want to see something else in the design. But hopefully we are about 95% there.